Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Omomirale, back again with another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to apply your falsies. So I got this package from Zira Lashes here in Nigeria. They sent me some of their lashes to try out and get feedbacks on. So I'm going to be using one of the lash I got to do this video. So these are the lashes they sent to me. This is the Nene lash. I really like this one. This is Zira lash. They don't have a name for this. And then there's this mixed one. Comes in 5 different lash types. So I'm going to be picking one at random. Maybe the one I like the best, which is this Nene lashes. I'm showing you how I apply my lashes using the Nene lashes. I really like the packaging of this one. Slides on like this. Ooh, really cute. The basic things you need when you're applying your falsies are your lash glue, and I think the only brand I really like using is the Duo Lash glue. Then you need a tweezer, or you can also use your hand if you like that one. Then your lashes of course, and yes, you need a scissors. So reason why you need a scissors is because you have to cut out the extra length of the lashes if it's too long. So what you need to do is pick out your lashes and measure it with your face. Most times I don't cut my lashes except the extras by the edge, because apparently my eyes are big enough. So you just cut out, for me I'm just going to cut out the tiny little strands showing by the edges. So now that I've cut it, I'm going to be going into my lash glue. Okay, this is where it gets tricky. I use a Duo Lash glue in black because I don't use it when I'm doing like colored looks with colored liners, because it has this black pigmentation going on. So this lash glue, my only problem with it is I only use it when I'm using black liners, or if I'm using like not black liner, I have to make sure I put it I put very little of it on the lashes, because it's going to show. It has this black line thing going on. I'm just applying it on the band. As you can see, I already applied mascara and I already applied my liner. I'm just gonna wait for this to dry for like 30 seconds. Wait for it to be sticky and I can apply it on my eyes. So apply it now. I'm going to take it up, put my hand like this and look down. So since it's already sitting down there, I'm just gonna press it down. Just pressing it down to make sure it is seated in the right position, and my lashes itself is not obvious under. You can see my lashes are not showing under. That's this. And then if I need to go back under to apply a liner, I'm just gonna do that. So that's it. So I'm going to be doing the same thing here, and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the final look. I've applied the lashes on both my eyes. Hope you learned how to apply your lashes. Hope you try this out. Let me know if you got it. I actually really like the lashes. I don't know why, because I didn't have to work too much for it to stay. I've tried some lashes. I got some lashes a while back, and let me just say, those lashes were apologies to Lash and Empire. They were terrible. but zero lashes, I didn't have to work too much. I just placed it and then it stayed. That's a plus for me. I'm obsessed right now. Thank you very much for sending me these lashes, and just know this now, I'm going to be coming back for some more, and these lashes are good. If you want to buy lashes, just eat them up. They would get you the lash you want. I'm going to put their Instagram page in my description box. And this is the lash is actually really good. If you enjoy this type of short tutorial videos, don't forget to let me know in the comment section and give me ideas of videos that you want me to do. Remember, you might not get it the first time you try, but what you have to keep in mind is you have to keep trying. If you don't get it the first time, does not mean you're not going to get it at all. So just try again and again till you get it. Not all of us got it the first time we tried. I will tell you that, because I did not get my lashes the first time I tried. Nothing I tried. Okay, there are some things I have done and I got it the very first time I tried them. But there are some things you do, you never get it the first time, and this is one of it. You might get it the first time, you might not. So don't give up, just try again till you get it. That's my little advice on this tutorial. So guys, I'll see you on my next video. But since you're already here, why don't you check out my other videos? I have a tutorial video of how to draw your liner and how to draw your brows. Please check that out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.